If you're wondering how to receive payments in Xero, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know about receiving payments in Xero, making it easier for you to manage your finances and ensure smooth cash flow in your business. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that will make this process even faster. First, let's get straight into it. Receiving payments in Xero is pretty straightforward, and the platform makes it super easy to track everything in one place. To begin, you need to ensure that you've already created an invoice for your customer. This is important because payments are linked to invoices in Xero. Once you have your invoice set up, go ahead and navigate to the business menu at the top of your screen. Under this, you'll find Invoices, where you'll see all of your outstanding invoices. Find the invoice you want to mark as paid and click on it to open it up. Now you'll see a section called Payments on the invoice page. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Payment. Here you can input the payment details, like the amount paid and the date the payment was made. If the payment is partial, you can easily adjust the amount to reflect what's been paid so far. One thing that stands out with Xero is its flexibility in terms of payment types. Whether your client pays via bank transfer, credit card, or cash, you can easily record the payment method. Xero even allows you to link your bank account so payments can be automatically reconciled, saving you a ton of time. This integration streamlines the entire process, so you're not manually entering transaction details anymore. But here's a neat trick. Xero also supports payment services like Stripe and PayPal. So if your customer is paying electronically, you can receive those payments directly into Xero. All you need to do is connect the relevant service in your settings. This integration can save you even more time, ensuring your invoices are marked as paid as soon as funds are received. Once you've inputted the payment details, Xero will automatically update the invoice status. You'll see it marked as paid, and this will reflect in your accounting reports, making it easier to keep track of your business's cash flow. Xero also allows you to set up recurring invoices for regular clients, and the payment tracking will happen automatically when the recurring invoices are paid. Now, if you want to speed up the payment process even further, Xero offers a feature called Online Payments. You can enable this option on your invoices, and it allows your clients to pay directly through a secure payment gateway, like PayPal or Stripe. It's a great way to speed up payment collection and reduce the chances of delayed payments. You'll get notified as soon as the payment is received and the invoice is updated in real time. To wrap up, receiving payments in Xero is simple and efficient. Whether you're recording a manual payment, linking your bank account, or enabling online payments, the software has you covered. And if you're new to Xero, you can start using it for free with an exclusive trial link in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. To make things even easier, Xero helps keep everything organized, so you can focus more on growing your business and less on tracking down payments. If you want to streamline your payment process and improve cash flow management, you'll definitely want to take full advantage of these features. Remember, you can get an extended free trial by using the link below, giving you full access to Xero's capabilities without any commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how it can change the way you manage your business payments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial link in the description.